We'll look at a couple devices today that are worthwhile investments. It's now quite a tough time to determine which businesses and startups are producing the greatest goods, as well as whether they're genuinely worth putting your time and money into. This is the rationale behind our exhaustive selection of the top devices for men. Hey guys, and welcome to Worldwidetech. Today we'll be talking about 16 of the coolest gadgets that every man must purchase. Before we move further, make sure to hit the like button and share button and the subscribe button to our channel, Worldwidetech. The respective product links are given in the description box below for you to purchase and check them out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. LaCie's Rugged Mini External Hard Drive. A staple in the typical gadget's tech organizer, LaCie's orange-clad hard drives are known for their durable construction, easy transportation, and huge water resistance. They promise that your records will be secure. Due to its huge storage capacity, which ranges from 1 terabyte to 5 terabytes, there is also never a scarcity of memory to use. With the reversible USB-C cable from Rugged, you can quickly and simply connect the newest Windows and Mac computers. You can also use the supplied USB 3.0 adapter to connect to the older PCs. Number 2. The Dorobene Cordless Air Duster. If your laptops are covered with dust, then you need this. Air dusters are made for this situation. They're the perfect tool for dust removal from any surface, especially electronics. A top-tier cordless air duster on the market is the Dorobene Compressed Air Duster. Number 3. LED Flashlight Gloves. When you're out night fishing, trekking, mountain camping, cycling, or running, these flashlight gloves will serve as a helpful third hand. Life must always have some sort of light. You'll probably need gloves and a torch without a handle. Large hands may be accommodated by the flexible adjustable strap's unisex design, which is suitable for all. A pair of waterproof LED flashlight gloves would be certainly an ideal gift for those who have everything. LED gloves are made of lightweight, skin-friendly, soft, breathable fabric that fits your hand like a glove should. Number 4. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S Gimbal Stabilizer. Have you ever thought that your videos could be a little smoother? Of course you have. You may shoot videos with the Zhiyun Smooth 5S at low and extremely wide angles. Well, it's all thanks to the 3 orthogonal pivot axes that are expertly constructed to provide you more options, more view, and more space between each axis. The Smooth 5S offers fantastic anti-shake video while maintaining the original quality of the shoot. Number 5. The Pocket Blanket. This item is made of nylon that is both lightweight and waterproof. While the little version only offers space for 2 people, the full-sized version can accommodate up to 4 people. However, the intriguing purpose of this device is to prevent the blanket from being blown away by the wind while it isn't in use. By sticking to the blanket's seams and lines, it can be folded. In addition, the storage pouch has a carabiner so that you may attach it to something else, like your keychain. Number 6. The Brow Sun Visor. Okay, now I can see that there might be some frowning expressions on this one. As you can see, the sun may be beneficial to our health. Our bodies create melatonin in response to sunlight, which is essential for healthy brain function. However, we must be aware that too much sun exposure could harm our skin and eyes. For your eyes, the Brow offers necessary and practical shade. These glasses' design is the only thing that feels sketchy. Don't you think it looks strange though? Number 7. The Panasonic Toughbook G2. The 10-inch touch-sensitive display is easy to use even while wearing gloves because it's shock, water, and dust resistant. However, you can also use the provided pen. For even faster control, there are 5 customizable quick access buttons available. There are several ports available to suit your needs. The 3 more modular expansion slots can be used to add features like a thermal imaging camera, a quick detachable SSD, or a barcode scanner. The durable tablets from Panasonic give you the extra mobility you need for work, making it simple to do tasks wherever and whenever. Number 8. The Hemisphere Audio Bolt DAC/AMP. With its new, tiniest DAC update, Helm Audio is ideal for travel or simply cleaning your desk. It works with computers, smartphones, and other USB-C connected devices. It's compatible with all streaming services, although Tidal's preferred digital recording standard, MQA, produces the greatest audio. So halfway through, what do you think about these gadgets? Fancy buying any? Well, you can find the links for the products in the description box below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Worldwidetech. Feel free to also tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications. Number 9. The Hollyland Lark M1 Wireless Microphone. The Hollyland Lark M1s are an ideal starting point since they're simple to set up and use. Look no further than the Hollyland Lark M1 for a small and simple wireless microphone option. The Duo kit includes 2 microphones and a receiver with a setup as simple as it gets. Small, effective and minimal all at the same time. Number 10. The Meter Plus Meat Thermometer. For a dependable and consistent wireless meat thermometer setup, the Meter Plus is a great option. For anyone who enjoys smoking meat for grilling outside and wants to monitor their cooking process without having to deal with a maze of cords or a difficult setup, the Meter Plus is a great wireless meat thermometer substitute. It's obvious that this thermometer could use a little bit of improvement. Nevertheless, the Meter Plus represents a substantial leap in wireless meat thermometer technology because of its excellent wireless range, long battery life, and simple charging. Don't you think that sounds delectable? Number 11. The Wazoo Cash Cap. The light and the 6 secret chambers in this cap work together amazingly. 3 concealed compartments are located in the hat's brim, and 3 more are located in the breathable mesh. Yep, you heard that right. You don't have to worry about where you keep your cash, pocket knife, or even a flashlight. Number 12. The Angry Meow Anime-Inspired Keyboard. The new anime-inspired keyboard for Angry Meow, which has user-adjustable stiffness and was created by sickos for sickos. This will make you immediately want to start painting your master-grade Gundam model kits from the early aughts. It includes a split spacebar, curved keys, and a more recent ergonomic design. Another bizarre science fiction design, this one is more of the morphing VF-19 advanced fighter planes from Macross. Something opulent, huh? Number 13. The SOG Flint. A steel and wood tinderbox with an integrated fire starter that generates thick sparks will help you build a fire more quickly. You could need a glass breaker with a carbide point if your car door is jammed and you can't call for help. It's small enough to be worn on a lanyard and kept in a pocket or a rucksack because it weighs less than an ounce and is only around 4 inches long. Number 14. The Woburn X2 EDC Flashlight. Although it may be little, this flashlight is insanely strong. X2 has a distinctive design that sets it apart from common flashlights. It's without a doubt the best EDC flashlight with the most uses in the smallest size thanks to its uniqueness, functionality, and durability. Number 15. The eBoda Bluetooth Shower Speaker. What qualities define the top waterproof speaker? The best waterproof outdoor speakers should, first and foremost, deliver sound of the highest caliber. You'll need enough bass performance from the speaker you choose to keep the party going if you're looking to play music at outdoor gatherings. The eBoda Bluetooth Shower Speaker, however, does it all. And finally, at number 16, the Rocketbook Reusable Smart Notebook. When using Pilot Friction pens, this innovative notebook's 32 pages are simple to clean with a moist towel. For environmentalists who take notes, it is ideal. They claim that this is the first reusable notepad of its sort, and that, thanks to its unique space-age paper, writing on it is like writing on a regular pad. Which one of these was more exciting? Let us know down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to smash the like button and the bell icon and subscribe to our channel Worldwidetech. Also, feel free to refer to other videos on our channel for more tech-related content, and we'll see you in the next video.